How to fix no SIM card detected on your Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn if you have your Realme phone and it says no SIM card detected. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First option or first step is to turn on your airplane mode. Swipe down your quick settings. Turn on your airplane mode. Once your airplane mode is turned on, wait for at least 15 seconds. Once you wait for at least 15 seconds, then turn it off. After that, check if the SIM card is now detected. If it works, then your SIM card should be back. And if that's still not working, restart your phone. After you restart your device, check if that helped you or not. If still not, you have to reinsert the SIM properly in the SIM slot 1 and make sure that it is enabled in your settings on the mobile network. So make sure that you reinsert your SIM card, head over to the settings in your device and head over to the network and internet, and from here make sure that your SIM card is enabled. And if that still does not work, then you can try to reset your network settings. For that, you have to open up settings in your device, scroll down and head over to system. Once you're here, go to the reset option. Here you have to select your first option that says reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. From here, tap on reset settings. Once you do that, your problem will be solved. That's it and that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.